my gosh, I love it.
Wow! Congratulations, Miss Pao Fajardo.
Yes, welcome, Miss Pao. How are you feeling tonight?
Hindi ko ma-explain yung nafe-feel ko, but super happy and thankful, especially kay Miss Marites po. Thank you po.
Fantastic.
As the newest face and a brand ambassador of Marinova Philippines, how does the Marinova skincare line helps you?
I believe, Johnny.
I do believe. Paano ba nakatulong yun? Ano bang pakiramdam nung pagkasabi sa iyo ni Miss Marites, you will be the newest face and brand ambassador of Marinova Philippines?
For me, challenging siya. Kasi, skincare Pag sinabing skincare, dapat proven and tested. Kailangan ako mismo maging tawag dito.
Parang testament ka rin kasi kailangan yung product na ini-endorse mo.
You have to
parang
believe in it.
Yes, you have to believe in it. Pag ginamit mo, maganda ang resulta, mas madali magsabi, di ba? Sa mga tao. So, sa lahat ng products, ano yung favorite mo?
Mystify.
Wow, Mystify.
So if I have to try this, Mr.
Parang halos
Products.
lahat ata Mystify ang favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi hindi lang siya for face Pwede rin siya sa hair actually.
Wow.
And then may SPF 30 din siya. So maganda siya for everyday errand mo na nasa bag mo lang.
Parang nako-convince na kami ni
Go.
Miss Pao.
Oh, din nakaka-intrigue eh. Miss Pao, how have these amazing products changed the way you approach beauty and skincare?
When it comes to skincare kasi, kailangan ko siyang i-test muna.
Yes, tama.
And makikita mo na effective yung isang product, not just, kasi magiging testament yung mga tao, nakikita ka.
That's right.
Parang glowing ka, gano'n.
When you first tried these products, what was your experience?
For me, kasi I have a sensitive skin kasi.
Okay.
And Marinova is bagay siya for my skin type.
Because he was sensitive. Well, actually, a lot of people have sensitive skin, right? So more chemical-heavy products tend to react negatively to sensitive skins, right? So, sa bagay, toxic-free yung Marinova products.
And cruelty-free din siya. So, maganda yung product talaga.
Maganda.
Sa dinami-dami ng products na na-try na natin dito sa Philippines, nung dumating yung Marinova, parang yun ba yung nasabi mo na sa sarili mo na finally, nakita ko na.
Excited ako i-try siya. Kasi marami na ding good reviews and marami akong narinig na mga nakatry na okay siya. So sabi ko, I need to try. So nung na-try ko, totoo yung hindi siya chismis eh.
Hindi siya chismis.
Nakita naman natin ngayon, glowing ang skin ni Miss Pao.
He really is glowing. A true testament of the products. Last question, Miss Pao. Is there any beauty tip for our audience or beauty hack, if you will, that you can share with us that involves any of the Marinova products?
Unang-una is self-love.
Self-love.